Hey guys, today let's make a slider card for Christmas. So first I have taken two papers. In one paper I am drawing a ladder. On the other paper I am drawing the ladder's measurement and I am going to cut that part. After that here I have drawn some Christmas tree and a girl having a star. So I am going to paint that with brush pens. Once the painting is done, I am going to cut these two pieces. Now all the prep is ready. Now we'll start making the slider card. I'm going to place this ladder inside this first card and I'm going to stick all the corners. Then I'm going to take a paper like this and I'm going to insert it inside the ladder. So you'll have something like this. So when you pull it, you'll be able to see that ladder. So that is the concept of this. After that, I'm going to attach a small bit of paper and I'm going to attach this Christmas tree over this side. I attached a paper, I'm going to stick this girl. So now when you pull the top paper, you'll be able to see the ladder and you'll have that effect like this girl is going to place the star on the Christmas tree. So this is the concept of this slider card. So after that I'm going to make some decorations on that. I'm going to write wish you a happy Christmas also on the paper. Now our slider card is ready. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.